Your online business will fail without this. Once you've decided on your niche and products, and you've got your domain, hosting, and website set up, you've got one crucial element to left: traffic. Unless people can find your website, your stats counter could be as empty as Tombstone before the outlaws ride in. There are two types of traffic: free and paid. Of course, everybody wants free traffic, but that takes time to build up, and might not be completely free. I'll explain why later. So to get some traffic and sales, it's best to start with paid traffic. The most popular type of paid traffic comes from pay-per-click (PPC) ads. As the name would suggest, you place an advertisement, and every time somebody clicks the link that takes them to your website, you pay a fee. This can range from a few cents to several dollars depending on your niche and where you're advertising. The two most popular PPC platforms are Google Ads, formerly Google AdWords, and Facebook Ads. Google Ads are the small advertisements you see down the right-hand side of the screen when you do a search in Google. Facebook Ads are similar and are shown on Facebook pages visited by your prospective customers. Google Ads get seen by more people, but you can target your Facebook advertising more specifically. Of course, everybody wants to be on the first page of Google and get a tidal wave of free traffic. However, you'll need to make sure you're following correct search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to get your site there. This is not as easy as it sounds, especially as Google keeps changing its algorithm to stop people from gaming the system. If you're not an SEO expert yourself, it's best to hire somebody to keep your site optimized, and these guys and gals ain't cheap. You might end up paying them hundreds of dollars to get your site to the top of Google. Not exactly free traffic. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to get more videos.